Within the Titan Smart Kinetic family, you will find a couple of options. Firstly, you will see drivers in varying wattage sizes. That is to allow for if you're using a small amount of lighting up to larger projects with more lights attached. You will also see that we sell a Titan Smart Kinetic Driver in both a 2-pin option and a 4-pin option. This all relates to which light you have chosen. Our 2-pin connection driver is suitable for use with our single colour, TrioTone and Duo ranges, and our 4-pin driver is suitable for any product from our CCT and Pro range. In this section, I'm going to show you how to pair our kinetic switch to our Titan Smart Kinetic Driver. This is a very easy process. All we do to begin with is locate the kinetic switch reset button on our driver. If I hold down on that button for 5 seconds, you will see that a blue light begins to flash within the driver. I then can click my kinetic switch and you will see the blue light has disappeared. That now means that pairing is complete and I can now use the wireless switch for both on and off functionality. Not only that, when we are using a wireless kinetic switch, we also gain dimming function. If I take that switch and hold down, you will see that it begins to adjust the brightness. As that dims down, if I then decide to turn the lighting on and back off, it will remember the brightness level that it is set to, and if I hold down again, it will readjust the brightness back up to full for me.